what is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts, desires, beliefs, and even your dreams into physical reality. How? It involves using those same thoughts, beliefs, and emotions to attract and create the experiences, situations, and outcomes you want in your life. It's about consciously aligning your energy and focus towards what you want to bring into your life and taking those proper steps or actions to actually make it happen. Manifestation is the art of intentionally creating your own reality by harnessing the power of your mind and your energy. A major component of manifestation is the law of attraction. What's the law of attraction? A simple rundown of the law of attraction is like attracts like. It suggests that our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions act as magnets and attract corresponding experiences, people, and circumstances into our lives. So, what you put into the universe, you get back. So, whatever it is that your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are focusing on, and the energy you emit because of that, well, that's what will manifest into our reality. That's the quick overview of manifestation. So, to attract what you desire, or to manifest the life you desire, consciously direct your thoughts and emotions to positive outcomes. For example, I am worthy of success, and I attract success in all areas of my life. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I believe in myself and my ability to achieve my goals. Those are just examples. Okay, so it's very important to choose the thoughts and affirmations that resonate with you and your individual personality, not mine. Cosmic Goddess Videos is here to help. If you like what you hear, like, follow, and subscribe. Catch you later, guys.